XOUSD on the 5-minute time frame. Here's a detailed technical analysis as of May 12, 2025. Price structure and trend. Current price, $3280. Trend. The market is currently in a descending channel with clear lower highs and lower lows. Price action. Gold is hugging the lower boundary of the channel, suggesting bearish pressure, but there's a potential for a technical bounce. Moving averages, adaptive. EMA 20, 3274.21. EMA 50, 3273.18. EMA 200, 3274.58. All short, mid, and long-term MAs are clustered and slightly below the current price, which can act as short-term dynamic support or indicate possible mean reversion. RSI, Relative Strength Index 14, current RSI 5868. RSI is recovering from oversold territory, below 30 on May 10-11, and is now in neutral to bullish range. This suggests a short-term bullish momentum, but still within a bearish structure. Channel boundaries. The price remains within a descending parallel channel. Upper boundary resistance, around 3,365, 3,370. Lower boundary support, currently near 3,250. The price recently bounced off the lower channel and is retesting the mid-level. Key technical levels. Support zones. Lower channel support, Dustin 250. Recent swing low, 3,240. Resistance zones. Immediate resistance, 3,300. Upper channel line, 3,365. Clustered MA zone, your 3,273, 3,275, acting as minor support. Trading bias, short term. Scenario 1, bullish bounce. If price breaks above 3,300 with volume and RSI moves above 60-65, we might see a push to 3,330, 3,350. Scenario 2, bearish continuation. Failure to break above 3,300 or rejection at the mid-channel may lead to a drop back to 3,250 or lower. RSI turning down from the 60 would confirm weakening momentum. Summary, aspect signal. Trend bearish channel. RSI neutral bullish 58.68. Price position near lower channel. Moving averages clustering below price. Bias cautiously bullish short term, bearish overall.